Alrighty, starting off the day, heading out of Hiroshima, and we got a lot of stuff in store for today. Let's head on out. Alrighty, just stopped by at the conveni. Got me a protein shake and also a little bento.
When he put the money
Get this out.
it was,
So
I bought downstairs.
this is what I got for my bento. Really good pricing, as you can see. This is Japan. Got some fried chicken, egg, hot dog, and 2 rice rolls. Let's get it. So we just arrived to Atomic Bomb Park tonight. Today is really chilly. So I have 2 layers of clothes, 2 layers of pants. But here it is, the Atomic Bomb bomb site. That's one of the structures that is still here today. Wow. Dang, it's crazy how the structure's still there. The rebar must be really strong. Stairwell, the toppity top. The whole structure of the dome. Crazy day. Here's a history board. That was before, and this is real life after. The backside view of the Hiroshima bomb site. Alright, so we just encountered one of the speakers out in Hiroshima bombing, and just found out that the most outstanding key point that he was talking about was that America bought out 2,500 baby bodies after the atomic bomb went off, and also that 2 of the buildings that was reconstructed to a place where it would be, barricaded so it doesn't demolish. So if you can see, take a look over there, that building was reconstructed to a way it wouldn't get demolished like this building right here. So that was underneath. Crazy facts. Alright, so the guy in red is the one that gives out the factual information. He's also one of the survivors that survived the bombing. And if you guys ever wanted to check his blog out, I'll try find the QR code for it and give it to you guys. He also brings up a good point that everything you see in the museums is false information, and also what America publicized was false as well. We have just arrived at the Children's Peace Monument for all the kids that have passed away. This was all the area that was affected in the bombing. Also the bombing, it never touched the floor, but it would explode above. So it would radiate above and hit down and around. Alright, so we are here at the final destination of today, and it's gonna be a wonderful one. It's Mazda factory. Let's get it. And we have now arrived to Mazda factory. Alright, baby, I just got you a new car. Oh, shoot, man, what the heck? Oh, shoot. Alright, time to go to work, babe. Alrighty, check this thing out. Oh my goodness. I'm pretty sure just by the body of it and the headlights of it, looks like gotta be electric. But look at that blue carbon fiber. That's all blue carbon fiber right there. It's blue interior. Bucket seats, carbon fiber, blue. Brambles. Oh my gosh, this thing is gorgeous. I would miss the exhaust if I had an electric vehicle. Oh, I'm pretty sure this illuminates the logo. Thick tires on some Bridgestones. Side mirrors, all digital, so there's no actual mirrors. And that's the engine block, I believe. Alrighty, on to the next vehicle. As you can see, it's a Menini one. Go to the side mirrors. It's way smaller than my hat. Two-seater. This would be awesome as a golf cart in Hawaii. Looks like it goes 200 kilometers. That's about what, 80 miles per hour? No, that can't be. That can't be. Top speed probably 60. Got some like 10-inch rims. It's like a roadster, but mini. Yeah, roadster. Jeez, this is so unique. No AC. But it is a car. And it is working. That's so nuts.
It is the oldest car Mazda owns. You can see that this panel is like green. It's green.
Green
So
panel.
the name is green panel.
Huh.
Look at that.
Oh,
It
look at
features
that.
comfort
That's how they
high
drive.
level of design based on function. So only 1,200 units were produced.
Oh, GT car.
Okay, in 1991, the 770 became the first Japanese car to win the championship of
Alright everyone, that about wraps up our tour here at Mazda Factory. I think it's time to go eat now. Yum 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 yum. Carbon fiber. Alright, just encountered my first RX-7 in the wild. Oh shoot. So going in. Oh.
Oh, Boston.
Boy, won't you look at that. Steak on steak.
You like that?
Ooh, even better. I also had to get this because I am a starving boy right now. Time to knack attack. All this. All that food. And just like that, we're going to be leaving Hiroshima onto the next destination. And just like that, we are in Shinosaka. Just arriving to our hotel. Alright, just approaching the hotel. And nothing better than fresh coffee right here at our service. Exactly what I love about Osaka and Tokyo side. Checking into the hotel. Alright, trying out one coffee. Taste the coffee right here. Alright, this is the varieties. I could use one latte, ice cold, and cold and hot. Alright, just crush some beans. And just like that, my coffee is brewing. Oh, like that is all pow. Alright, we are now at 517, our room. Take our car. Alright, let's see how it looks. Put in a card so we know how it looks like.
Oh, it's nice.
Ooh.
Oh, it's pretty.
I love this.
Look how pretty
This
the
is a
mirror
cute
is.
setup.
Look at the mirror.
Oh, selfie. Yeah, yo. Oh, you gotta pull out.
Wow, it's super nice. Look,
Oh, I love that.
I see the view.
Oh, kawaii desu ne. Oh my gosh. Alright. Where's my rubber keys? Oh, they don't provide rubber keys. I need my rubber keys. Hey, guess what? I just found my rubber keys. Yes, it's time. Oh, if I could fit my darn toes in there. Right there. Hey, rubber key time. Alrighty. Now, good night, guys. Peace.